Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Genmoji immediately. Install and update if needed, then launch. Grant camera, mic, and photos access so the app can record and save your creations. Once done, sign in with your Genmoji ID or create one. The account syncs templates and styles. Make sure iCloud or local storage settings allow file exports. This initial launch is brief but essential because without permissions and account sync, the app won't generate or export your emoji animations correctly. Once your account and permissions are ready, choose a template or tap New to begin a custom emoji. You'll pick a style, then tweak motion intensity and color so the emoji matches your intent. These settings affect render time and file size. Record a short clip, trim unwanted frames, and preview at 30 FPS for smooth motion. Make adjustments to landmarks or expressions if the auto-track missed details. This improves final quality and reduces re-renders later on. You finalize by exporting. Pick GIF, PNG sequence, or video and set resolution and looping. Higher resolution increases file size. Once exported, share via messages, AirDrop, or save to photos and confirm playback. If export fails, don't panic. Free at least 200 MB of storage, force close Genmoji and reopen. Make sure permissions still allow photos rights. If problems persist, toggle iPad airplane mode briefly, then retry export. This clears transient sync locks and usually fixes stuck jobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.